first Sunday of the month of April. So we are here in Sinacam and it's nanay birthday. Ayan, happy 75 birthday. 75 na to siya. Oh, grabe. But hindi pa halata. Oh. Ayan, cut the cake for the birthday celebrant. Happy birthday po. Yes. And after the birthday, ayan, naligaw kami sa Lelystad, the Batavia Stad here in the Netherlands. Look, the Batavia. Meron sila pala ritong ulo na malaki. And here also in Batavia, there's a lot of things, not only the shopping center, ha. You can go around here in the surrounding kasi maraming magagandang like yung kanilang warship before nandito. May museum dito. So not only the outlet, you can go around actually here in the surrounding of the Batavia and you will see a lot of things. O, diba? So, hindi pang shopping lang. Ang ganda-ganda ng kanilang ship na yun, no? At ang lalaki ng anchor nila. Grabe, hindi kayang buhatin ng mga anchor. So, this is the Batavia at nagutom kami. Kaya, of course, our favorite, McDonald's. Yes, ayan, naka-McDonald's tuloy kami.